Want to unlock hidden potential on your Apple TV by installing apps you won't find in the App Store? Let's dive into the world of Apple TV sideloading. First, understand that sideloading on Apple TV isn't as straightforward as on some other devices. It primarily involves using a developer account and Xcode. Apple's development environment, this method is geared towards developers testing their own apps. To begin, you will need an active Apple Developer Program membership, which requires an annual fee. Head to developer.apple.com to enroll if you haven't already. Once you have your developer account, download and install Xcode on your Mac. Connect your Apple TV to your Mac using a USB-C cable. Xcode will recognize your Apple TV as a connected device. In Xcode, create a new project or open an existing one for the app you wish to sideload. You'll need the app's IPA file. Modify the bundle identifier to be unique, often by adding your initials or some custom identifier to the existing name. Next, under the Signing and Capabilities section, select your developer team. Xcode will handle code signing and provisioning for your Apple TV. This step links your developer account to the app. Finally, click the Run button in Xcode. This will build the app and install it on your connected Apple TV. The app should now appear on your Apple TV's home screen. Remember that sideloaded apps may require periodic resigning to continue functioning. Depending on your developer account type, enjoy exploring the possibilities.